Welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today we're going to be checking out something I just got in from Amazon. What is it? Well, stick around and find out. Package within a package. As that Canadian fella says, time. It is a solder pot. You put solder in it and you can tin and dip the wires in it. Much easier than trying to do it with straight up soldered iron. So let's get this thing open and put together. We'll put the solder in and we'll tin some wire, see how easy it is. Okay, here's what it comes with. It comes with the solder pot, variable temperature control, and it comes with two different pots. I guess you can keep two different types of solder in them. That way you don't have to empty them and try to refill them. So I have this tip tinner. I'm not sure if it's lead free, but it's what I got. It's what we're going to use. So let me plug it in. It says it takes about 8 minutes to heat up. So let's plug it in and see how long it takes. It also comes with this stirring, probably also to get junk off the top. So it comes with that as well. So I have it plugged in. Keep the spare pot over here. Let's turn it on. And I don't know. Where do we start at? Let's start at 8. Okay, I've added some solder to the pot, and let's start it at 5 and see how long it takes to melt. It says about 8 minutes in the instructions. I say instructions. So-called user guide that comes with it. That's one sheet of paper. So let's give it 8 minutes and see what the solder has done. Well, the solder's melted, so let's try tinning a few things. Yes, it's smoky. This is rosin core. I did not have any solid core. So let's try a very thin solid core wire. Not sure you can see it, but quick dip and it comes out tinned pretty nicely. Let us now try a standard size wire. I don't know, 14, 16 gauge, multi-thread. That. Perfectly tinned easily. And what I like about a soldering pot is I have this really, really thick, maybe 8 gauge wire. I can even tin something that big. I'm definitely going to have to get more solder to put in here though. But I like it. I like this soldering pot. Tinning has always been my downfall. So this makes it easy. Just turn it on, let the solder melt, and dip your wire in it. Nice. So I got this off of Amazon. It was $20. I'm going to have to get a lot more solder, but I think this is going to make my life a lot easier. And I have it set at 5 right now. It says it goes from 200 degrees C to 450 degrees C, so halfway between those. I don't know, 310, I don't know, 320. So Turn that solder off. We'll let it solidify. But I think this thing will be very, very useful. It's almost like it looks like it's mercury. No, it's just solid melted solder. So that is the solder pot. I'll have a link in the description below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for your time, and as always, friends, God bless. I'll see you next time.